All right, good morning, guys. I'm trying to get a show together out here today because it's overcast and it's starting to do a little drizzle rain, and a lot of folks are not going to hang out. So I'm going to make this real quick. I'm not sure how long it's going to last because folks are starting to pull out. So let me see what I can get going for you. Hey, I told you I was going to bring you along on the next car show here, and here we are. But it's going to rain. So. Whew. Guys, there's so many cars that would be here today that aren't here today, but I'm telling you, I'm trying to gauge this because the weather is really putting a damper on this whole show today. So I'm not sure how much I'm gonna get to show this to you because everybody's leaving because the rain is about to start. So I might just have to call this a wrap and say, guys, all right, next time. Guys, this is the shortest one ever. And all I got for you is this Honda 54K. So as they leave, I'm just gonna video leaving because there's nothing else I can do. It's really a preference if you want to stay right now or if you want to go. So let's do this. Let me get around here. And I'm going to let's do this. Let me swing over here. These guys are getting ready to pull out. But I saw this hot Nova that's sitting over here. Man, this thing's a work in progress. And this guy, he is working on this thing. He and I had a conversation. And I really like his car, man. Yeah. Because he's doing all this all by himself. Him and his son. And this thing is going to be beautiful when it's all said and done. But I love cars like this in their rare form because you can make it yours. I think he said it's a 68. You guys know, you Nova people know all your years of your Novas. So yeah, man, this is awesome. Let's see if I can get a shot of the suspension down here. I don't know what you can see, guys, but it's supposed to be some awesome work down here. All right. We'll check back with him again. All right. All right. We good, bro.
Thank you.
All right. All right. All right. Look at this. Hey, that's a four-speed. Nice. How you doing?
Good, sir. How are you?
I'm fantastic. I love your Chevelle.
Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful car. How long you had it?
Since day one. Brand new.
Are you kidding me?
Uh-huh.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Nice. And you had a blast driving it too, hadn't you?
Well, I was in the military down at Bragg,
Uh-huh.
and I drove it back and forth down there.
All right. I'm sure them guys were like, man, this is an awesome car, because Chevelles were hard to come by.
Yeah.
They really were. This is beautiful. Day one. Give me a year on it.
What's that?
What year is it?
1970.
Wow. Nice, man. Beautiful car. Keep it.
Thank
Keep
you.
it. I know you intend on it.
Well, I gave it to my son, so he ain't getting rid of it.
Next in line. There you go. Keep it in the family. Good talking to you.
Thank you.
All right. Nice. Come on. All right, 64. Oh yeah, let's get this thing going. Maybe some people are starting to come. Maybe they are. All right. There's my buddy with his Barracuda. Yes, sir. Good to see you guys. Good. Well, it's a few cars here, guys, so we're gonna swing by and pay everybody a visit. Nice Chevy truck. Yeah. $8,350. Nice. Nice. Mm-hmm. Nice. All right. The GMC 2500 diesel. Vortec. Suspension work done on this. Nice. This is a beast of a puller. All ass too. Man, I just spotted that. Nice work. Nice work. Nice. I've never seen a V-Max. I don't even, I know absolutely zero about these bikes. Man, this is nice though. Hopefully you guys like it. I thought I included it in my videos. Okay. Nice. No tops down today. No tops down today. I like it. This is a pony car section here. Nice. All right, look at that. Beautiful ride. Beautiful. Love that color. Old cop car. All right, guys, if you're in the market for some Mustang and Shelby parts, reach out to Dad's Mustang. You can reach him. He's out of here in Falston. Anything for a Mustang, he can get it, or he has it. All right. My man, I just want to apologize to you and your lady friend. My video screwed up last time when you was here, and I didn't get a good shot of your interior, just you when you were leaving. So I wanted to let you guys know that I recognize. Beautiful. Nice color. I've never seen a vibrant color like this. Not on a Camaro. Nice. Nice and clean. Good. But let's go. Look at this, guys. Look at this.
And then Gerber's up in Canada. And, well, we're like the short stuff. We're car doctors. We bill the insurance, and then they pay what they want. Then we got to go back and supplement. Now they want us to get deductible and co-payment because the new car's got so many computers and so many scans. I mean, we got to hook this car up to the computer about 3-4 times every time we want it. Right. Yeah, I mean, it's ridiculous. A lot of these cars are fixed them. They won't work well. They get back in that laptop, go back into that computer. Well, it's but you got to do that. We're not going to sit around.
Nice. Guys, these Corvettes be doing it. They really do. Look at this. Love the design, man.
How you doing, boss?
Pretty good. And yourself? Good.
Good job with that.
All right. Thank you. This is a low turnout day, but an awesome day, guys. It really is. It's an awesome day.
I gotta walk down
Okay. Okay. We got more rides coming. We got them coming. I'm just gonna hang out. I'm gonna hang out. I ain't got nothing else to do right now, so let's just hang out.
Hey, I like your videos.
Hey, thank you.
I like them too.
Bill?
All right. Nice to meet you, Ron.
Right, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we like them.
I appreciate it, guys. You are officially on my video.
I keep liking them for you too. Yeah.
Thank you, because a lot of people don't. I don't get it. I mean, I'm out here putting in the work and showing you what.
Yeah, that's right.
It's just,
Well, thanks.
it's a slow thing. I'm gonna keep it up. Yeah, I'm not quitting.
Okay.
All right, no problem. Thank you. Nice. It's always good to hear people appreciate you and what you do.
Yeah. Because I said something to you, but then I was talking to Neil. I let him know it's a good thing he had a call.
Yes. Come on, let's go, y'all. It's not a lot to see, but there's more to see. And I'm gonna bring it to you, because I can right now, because it's not a lot that I can hit people's cars that, woo, yeah. I like the pedal, the gas pedal. Nice, nice touch. Nice touch. Guys, keep doing what you're doing with these cars, man. I'm so amazed with them. Wow, look at that custom console. Nice work. Nice.
Too damn.
Nice. Oh, yeah. Wow. Nice. Things are 5-speed. 5-speed. Ford Deluxe. Nice. Nice. My goodness, guys, this is a nice small gathering today. This is a really intimately small gathering. So let me shoot over here and caught this guy. Him and his son was pulling up when I was videoing. I didn't get a good shot of the car. So, man, if I don't recall correct, I did recall correctly. It's a 64. $300. Yeah, 300 back in 64 was a big number. But in today's standards, not so much. Beautiful ride though. Keep it, give it to your son. Keep it and give it to your son. Love the fuzzy dice. Thanks for coming out. All right. Thanks for coming out, guys. Look what rolled up in here today, guys. Right.
Tina's, her Odyssey she has is white with that, like that chocolate color of it.
Oh, nice.
Find anything.
You know that dude Doug the Mario? That guy has like a really weird white dude.
Nice. All right. Look at that thing, man. Whew. Good night. That's an old vehicle. 76, 77 maybe. All right. Put the windows down, guys. Keep the windows down. You want me to get a shot of it? Put the windows down.
I took it over to D'Angelo's little hangout.
Oh, yeah.
44. Yeah, a good little turn.
Nice. Man, let me show you something, guys. This is awesome. Good morning.
How you doing?
All right. Nice. All right.
I'm thinking to myself, oh my God, look, yeah. Well, heck, I'll play it up for you.
Nice. Nice. Interior is mint. All right. Man, beautiful ride. Beautiful. See what else we can catch out here. All right. Guys, this is a awesome turnout today. Not a lot of cars, so it was a real intimate type of setting. So a lot of guys are starting to pull out. So yeah, the rain's about to start. So I'm not going to hang around too much longer here. But these are some beautiful rides that came out today, and I appreciate you guys for joining me. So again, I'll bring you along on the next one. So I just need you guys to do me one favor, and that's hit that like and subscribe button, because I get pushed way in the back of the algorithm if you guys don't hit that like and subscribe. All right, so until the next one, I'll get with you guys on the next one. All right, see you.